I'm gonna turn on my microphone. Alright. Today we'll be playing Tornado Alley Ultimate. Okay. Tornado. I lived in the car. Okay. I'm just gonna skip. Oh. Look, major destruction has been already made. Just turn this off for a second. Beaters. Up. But they're about to die. For some reason. Okay, where's the stupid meteors? Shelter won't help. Run away. Probably not. Okay, about the first one. Rainbow third. Oh no. Officer Green. What the heck is that? Oh, and that's a. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. What the fuck? Why is it so loud? Whoa. Oh no, I'm not gonna survive this one. Okay. I don't know how I managed to clutch that. I'm just going again. What? Oh no. Okay, I'm actually safe. Oh no. How did I get paralyzed? Boom! What you guys have? But apparently shucks. Now this one is just ridiculous, but apparently sharks flew out of a tornado. I broke my rib cage. This might sound ridiculous, but I broke my rib cage. And I broke my right arm. And I broke my skull. Why are my hands just near my body? How did I survive? Look. Glacier Lake. What do you mean immune to tornado? Also, why the heck did the music just end? explore further. What do we got here? I swear to God, it's a tornado. Okay. Only water shit. Okay. Oh, a fire extinguisher. Wait. Bombs? Not gonna be late. Ow, my nuts. But all the bobs went missing. What tornado did y'all have? Got no cars. Yeah, to be honest, there's literally no cars. So what game mode is it again? Okay. Okay, I'm going in here. All that for in real life. And it's basically the same. It's gonna, oh my god. Okay. I'm running into the bomb. That's safe. Hardest game mode. Last time I played on my computer, I had Doomsday, and no one even survived. Not even one. Woohoo! Ow. What? Okay, what did you got? So you had normal, survival. Okay, it doesn't look like I care if you're alive. Furry. Woo! I survived! Don't. Don't. Yeah, just don't mind me when I just I'm bored. Cool system. Turkey has been summoned by Nikolakes. That's me. I don't know. Jesus! Last time I said this was the hardest game mode. Wait, look, I don't know. Yeah, I almost died, but I got it. Just like that, I forgot what game mode it is. Oh, it's this. Where's my hurricane name? ADK. And they're a legend and an elite too. Oh! I've played TAU since 2019 and never got one. Yet these two players have. Do you know what to... Where? Hey, it's gonna go inside this building and probably die by either one. But I'm not gonna say it. Oh! Okay, luckily I did not go there. Spamming about what? Okay, at least jump on it back. Ow. Stop. And I almost killed me. This thing is worthless. Everything is dead. Okay, die. Ah! Right here too. Oh god. This person jumping. This is connected travel. Why? This is not how someone was living. If I was like that The fire hitbox sure is big. I want 5. I want 5. I want a cat 5. Cat 5. Cat 5. Hurricane flood. Hurricane flood. What the heck? That's not how that works. Hurricane flood. What category is it? Dead. Okay, and how many? Hurricane flood. Okay, it blocked my hiding spot. Why is it called hurricane flood? Dude, that hurricane just lasted for like forever. Oh. Okay. How the heck did 6 people perish? 7 people survive? No. more people should have survived and not perish by my hurricane. Whatever. I don't care about TJU. It is Sophia. I don't care. Kid Rain. Kid Rain. So that's not Kid. That's not how you spell kid. Sid Rain. How the heck can Acid Rain is not even real in real life, right? Okay, no music. Saying Randolph can stop the city. Well, what a coincidence. A tornado can. The monster of 2013 can. Unstoppable? Oh man, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. No! Dead. Auto. By first one. I'm dead. Stay indoors. Bruh, what do you mean stay indoors? This is literally a big old tornado that's gonna wipe out. Please. Okay, do you expect me to go in there and hide? No. I'm gonna say, do not get caught by a audio. Die. I'm probably gonna die. You know about Unstoppable? Signal cut. Nice one. I like how it says signal cut. Alright. If it's still a threat. Where is it? Oh, okay. Okay, why is there big old dust flying around? Okay, I'm going over here. Oh god! Dude, nothing can save you. Alright, how does it, okay, why the heck? Okay, I can't help it. Still and it's coming after me too. Moving away. Oh my god! That was... Oh god! Probably not a good idea. Oh my god! Okay, lightning and the tornado is trying to kill me because they hate me. Tornado is wishing to kill me right now by making shortcuts to my loot. What? Whoa, what? Okay. That was the best. That was the best unnoticeable kill ever recorded on Unstoppable. That was the best kill ever recorded on Unstoppable on YouTube. That was the best kill. There's nothing. I survived without bunker too. Me too. Okay. I literally survived without underground shelter. Oh, and I had to survive an acid rain, of course, because I summoned it and did not know it was gonna be unstoppable. Alright. If Twisty can't kill anything. Take cover to survive the incoming acid rain. Acidic rain is pretty good. Get in shelter. I don't think shelter's a thing. Don't jump in the air. I almost died. Why do you acid rush down? Okay. You don't need to find shelter. You just need to. I got hit by an acid bar. Oh god, that's a ring. This is sniping. So, this game can snipe you. Oh. Try to not stick my arm. Okay, I almost died. Did anyone knew I almost died? I almost died on the tornado. I almost died on the tornado. Alright. More people survived the acid rain. 3 more people survived. Right next to me. It was sniping me and tried to sneak and tried to sneak attack. But I lived. Ow, my head! Enemy no signal. There's signal here now. Oh! Okay! Mega tornado. Mega tornado, I just said. Here you go, please. I'm not dead if I can dig. Like I showed up, there's Sunny in the future. Okay. This is just like a normal tornado, but it's but I'm extreme at a faster rate than I've never seen before. Oh no. How to get that fast. Turtles begun to develop on robots. The area. It's gonna be extremely fast, right? Once the tornado moves like so fast that it could insta-kill anyone. Once the tornado goes fast mode, stay away from it because it will insta-kill you. Predict its movement and avoid it. Bruh! Okay. I just have to survive. And I will definitely not survive Dragonado. Actually, I never died on Dragonado. I actually survived one. I actually survived a Dragonado. I never died. I did get picked up, but I survived. Why are you coming after me? So of course it's an EF3. Alright. At least I start off this fast. Okay, I'm predicting it's good. Oh, square fast mode, Okay. What the heck was that? Okay, it goes fast mode. So we have to predict this game. Hey, buddy. Bro, stop throwing me toward a tornado! What was that? What in the world was that? It was pulling me toward it. Bro, I swear. Oh God! Why are you running into the tornado? Why did the tornado never go fast? Oh my God! That was kind of Why did the tornado never went fast? Somebody just getting died over. Paralyzed. Hello? Hello? You're wait, what? Dun, 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 what? I'm actually standing on nothing. Someone? I'm not standing on anything. Guys, help. Of course. A tornado can devour a building under 2 seconds. Look, a zombie from horrific housing. Do zombie type. Go to dead tornado. Go to detonator. NATO. Go to detonator. DAED. Dead. NATO. Detonator. Oh, okay. Won't let me say detonator. Oh, okay. Perfect. Cut off again. Bro, just typed in space. So I'm gonna do that too. IV if it's stuff level. Detonator. I leave if it's dust level. Detonator. Lol. So the zombie guy is gonna have fun here because he's a zombie. And guess what? It's detonator. WTF was that? No idea what kind of music tone that is. A green freaking infected virus tornado. Oh. How in the world is that gonna help me? The last time I did that, I just got completely teared down by a freaking zombie. I didn't get eaten. I just got completely broken by the zombie. Zombie just broke me in half. It broke my hip. It broke all my part of my body. It broke my arm, broke my hip, broke my leg. It broke everything. But I forgot. You got all your body. It's a good heart. That's just hard. Why can't I can literally see the zombie through the tornado. Yeah, but probably just going to end the video. We're just gonna end the video just like that, guys. In 30 minutes. Something went wrong. Alright guys, so this is the end screen. Me doing this and killing a bunch of people. And so if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and liking the video if you enjoyed so far. And subscribe if you Uh, I'll make a video of this in 5 hours, okay? In the next 5 hours, I will make another video about the rake remastered, but the end screen is just gonna be me getting beaten up by the rake. So I hope you guys enjoy me getting beaten up by the rake. Why the heck is it frozen? Hold on, something broke. I make a funny clip of me being beaten up by the rake until the loading screen just froze. Like the bar, the wireframe froze and never moved. Skip. And now I want to get beaten up by the rake. Let go and find rake. Alright, we're in. Now, let's find the rake and then get beaten up by him. This is gonna be the end screen, guys. Hey, do you know where Rick is? Hey, do you know where Rick is? You guys know where Rick is? I want to make an epic clip of me being beaten up by the rake. It doesn't matter, I can just run anyway. Because I got a funny clip. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, that was the end screen, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed that clip, me getting beaten up by the rake. And no, I'm not being stupid. I just made a clip of that. Please subscribe if you enjoyed so far. Wait, what? If you enjoyed my channel so far, and like the video if you enjoyed the video so far, and me getting beaten up by the rake. Bye.